Fuck is going on?
I just rebeat Black Blizzard.
I just noticed that fucking
Oh my gosh, dude. That was so fast. I rebeat it.
Ayo. Fucking 70%.
Yes! Fuck you, Nvidia. Fuck you!
Ayo. Fucking watch that.
I'm actually fucking insane.
Fucking beat it twice in one day. Holy shit.
What the fuck? Everybody's like, what is wrong with you? Oh my fucking god. Let's fucking go. Okay, so I had to rebeat this again because my software fucking crashed. And I added a couple more attempts to it, so I might as well add them all up again just for the sake of the video. But let me do that real quick. So that's 5735 plus 1996 1327 1394 2322 and finally 4812, and that's a total of 17,586 attempts. God, I am so glad this is over. I'm so glad I don't have to rebeat it, but honestly, disregarding the rebeat, it was really fun. I had a really great time with it, despite the pre-drop being completely AIDS. Everything else was pretty much fine. But yeah, I highly suggest playing it though. It's probably like one of my favorite extreme demons. But yeah, I don't know what to do next, so thank you.